Up for sale, 1967 Ford Galaxie XL 500 convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 67 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible. What a mouthful. Finished in Wimbledon white with red interior, loaded with factory options from a rare DSO. So the car as itself is in my opinion, an extremely rare car. It's a one repaint, pretty much in survivor condition. I have the Elite Marty report for the car that you might see on top of the convertible top. And as always, tell you what I know about it. We'll fire it up and drive it. And yeah, all your chrome and trim in the front. This is all original to the car. Your bumper is in pretty good condition for being original. You see a little bit of patina, some more patina there, pretty much all the way along, but the actual very front is in very nice condition that you see there. Your trim and whatnot, that's all very presentable as well. There's a couple touch-ups here and there on the body, excuse me, being a one repaint. The hood fitment is the way it should be. Lines up very nicely. It is powered by its original 428 motor, 4-barrel. Let me pop the hood though, and we'll tell you about it. 428. It was ordered with factory AC, factory cruise control, power steering, power front disc. It was previous factory power windows. I'll tell you more about that later. Power front driver's seat because it's bucket seats and console. Automatic. I don't know if I mentioned that. Power top. And again, as you look at this, looks to be pretty much mostly factory original. Your AC doesn't work, but it's not seized up. Of course, your cruise control is there. Probably does not work though. Some of those rare power options are no longer operable. And I'll go each one as I go along. Something interesting I noticed, when you come in there, the VIN stamp there, I don't know if that's standard on all these kinds of cars or if that's something that over time they took them out. That's cool to see. Factory exhaust manifolds, nice inner fender wells on both sides, and very, presentable underneath. Runs very smooth actually, nice performance and nice power. So we'll keep going down the side of the car. It's got its factory correct hubcaps on it with the white wall tires and the power front disc brakes, which were an option. You could have just gotten power brakes. The paint, other than a couple of those chips and some other minor chips, whatnot, it must have been an extremely nice job when it was done. The body's really, really straight. So we'll keep going here. You got your factory 428 logo, which is pretty cool. All original body panels, and as you see, nice fitment all the way around. This guy here looks like it must have been repainted at some point because it's a little shade off between the two. I don't know the order I wanted to do this, but we'll keep going down this side. Give me 1 second. I got gloves on. My fingers are going numb. It's 9 degrees out today. As you see here on this door edge, some miscellaneous chips that have been some touched up, some not touched up. A couple more miscellaneous chips down there. It needs a new convertible top. I have a new convertible top, so it's out of the question. All these windows are nice. The windshield is cracked on that side. I'll show it when I get there. Down like this. So we'll keep going. Again, like I said, it's basically a survivor. So let's do a little kumbaya inside the car after I show you this door panel here. There's your VIN tag in place with the proper VIN and all the color codes, trans, axle. Again, all that information's on the Elite Marty report. Door panel. I know you notice I said power windows. Now they're cranked. I assume at some point 40 years ago, they must have stopped working and they went and they found a door panel with the cranks to put the cranks on. Also, this is pretty cool. That's just my opinion thing, how you lift and it folds. There's a little rip down there. But anyway, let's do, oh, hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Before I sit in it, I might as well finish the interior. All of the seats are in very nice condition, actually, for being original, of course. A couple rips in the carpet down there. The back seat is super nice. Passenger seat, I know, has a tiny little mark in it, but when I get to that, I'll show you. Console, bucket seats, power seat. The power seat does work. So let's sit inside with the Marty report. Give me 1 second here as I get myself comfortable. Hold on. All right. There's your reproduction VIN tag. Ford XL 2-door convertible, Wimbledon white, 428 4V Thunderbird 7-liter, black convertible top. Select shift cruise-o-matic, high axle ratio, which I believe is 3.25, convenience control panel, visibility group, electric clock. Those are the size tires, power windows, power bucket driver seat, 6-way, so boom, 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 boom. Power steering, power disc brakes, fingertip speed control, that's the cruise control. Select air conditioner, AM, FM, rear seat speaker, tinted glass, deluxe seat belts. Wheel covers styled steel. Those are those guys. The car cost new just under $5,000. Sold to Ford Motor Company. There you go. Look at that. There's your one-of-one stuff. They only made 411 XL 2-door convertibles with the 428 4-barrel. Let's go down here to the Marty report itself. It was an order type executive vehicle. 89202K dealer number, Ford Motor Company. Again, that's pretty cool. It makes a lot of sense why a Ford exec would order this car with all these options and spend $5,000. So this is pretty cool. Let me put it back outside of the car for this moment. I will have a picture of this on the ad in case you want to go through the whole thing and read it, because I probably read the large majority, but not all of it. Okay. Then all the interior pretty much looks to be original. Your dash pad, of course, has cracks on it from being original. I mean, that's not surprising. Some patina here and there. All the gauges work, though. Your console, as we go back here, which is pretty cool to see. Do I have the keys? I do have the keys. Okay. Let me flash you. Seat backs, very nice on this side, as well as what you can see of the rear seat, because it's got the, looks to be built-in top boot. And that's why I took a picture of both sides, one with the top boot, one without the top boot, because you throw it back and you see, oh my gosh, you see your nice seat itself with some nice door panels, which also cranks. Let's keep going. It's got to be the original top because it's got your rear glass window, and again, I said I have a brand new convertible top that's included with the car. I did mention the underneath is extremely solid, rust-free, no patches front to back. Actually, extremely impressive. It came from Tennessee. It must have been in the South for a long time. The only bad part on the body is there's a little bit of bubbling in that area. I know my gloves are covering it when I point it out, but a little bit of bubbling there. No bubbling back there. Factory wheels again. Your nice trim that goes around and through. So let's keep moving on here. I don't want to spend too much time on the video, but I have to. You know, a couple little miscellaneous marks there. A couple more right there, and I'll show you the body. Pretty cool. Back chrome trim, all that pretty much the same as the front, all original to the car, as I'm killing myself on the ice here. A couple more little marks there. The trunk is very impressive. Let me pop that open for you here in just a second. original trunk pan, your original quarters in there. There's not even surface rust in here. That's pretty cool. There's this guy that I mentioned to you about what went over the exhaust manifold and into the air cleaner. Part of the convertible top, and also another part of the convertible top in here. So of course you get both of those. Very, very solid, original, very clean example here. Let's keep going. Again, no bubbles down there. You see a couple miscellaneous marks there. Couple more little guys. And then same thing like the other side, some bubbles down here. So it must be a common spot then. And same thing, just like the other side, you see some chips on that door edge. A couple more chips down there. All this glass is really nice. Let's get in. And here's the only two small rips on your original bucket seats, which again is pretty impressive. And as you see here, there's the crack in the windshield. So keep moving on. It will be up for sale later today though on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 67 Galaxie XL 500 convertible, loaded with factory options. I don't feel like listing them all one more time. See a couple little marks. Wimbledon white, red interior, bucket seats and console. Those I will gladly mention. And yeah, we will fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you.